Whispers of the Wind. One quiet afternoon, there was a small village on the hill. This village is a legendary place where the god of wind dwells, and people lived with the wind. The villagers listen to the whispers carried by the wind and are given guidance for their daily lives and the future. One day, a new family moved into the village. My name was Rena, and I lived with my parents. Lena had a special interest in the sound of the wind, and, as the villagers said, she always went out to hear the story told by the wind. One night, Lena sat quietly, feeling the wind under the moonlight. At that moment, the wind suddenly changed, and a clear voice echoed in her ears. "I want you to come here and listen to the story." The voice was gentle and just comfortable. Lena walked to the depths of the hill as if guided by the voice. In the silence of the night, an old shrine appeared in front of her. In the shrine, there was a woman in the form of a beautiful spirit. "I was waiting for you, the god of the wind," the woman said. "Why were you waiting for me?" Rena was surprised. "Because you have the power to tell the story of the wind. From now on, I want you to convey an important message to the villagers through the voice of the wind," God said. Lena was touched by the words, and she was guided by God and given a special power to listen to the voice of the wind. She decided to return to the village and tell the residents the whispers of the wind. She said in the village square, "What the wind conveys is to be considerate of each other and hold hands in difficult times." The villagers listened to her words and reconsidered their actions. Eventually, the village became more united and turned into a warm place where they helped each other. And Lena continued to listen to the sound of the wind every night, and became an existence that delivered a new story to the village. When the village became one, the wind gently rose and enveloped the entire village. In this way, the encounter with the god of the wind became an irreplaceable treasure for Lena and the people of the village, and the whispers of the wind echoed in the village forever. The end.